Hello guys, this is TV Coder here. In today's video I will teach you about VueJS. So what is VueJS? You can check it out on my previous video and need to look at the official VueJS documentation, so you probably found what I mean. So if you know what I mean, please follow this video. I will teach you about the basics on the VueJS. So today's topic, I will tell you about components. So last week I told you about list rendering, and the advanced one you need to know some components, the basic one. So without further ado, let's get started. So we need to initialize the Vue objects. So you need to use new Vue is put your elements on this, on the sum element, and there is two ways to register some components. You can register in a globally or internally. So I recommend to use globally because you probably want to use lots of more kind of stuffs. So to Vue dot components is the first parameter is your custom elements you want to use. So I'll put my my elements, and the props I need to use a template is div is data1. So I need to call my elements, my custom elements is my elements, like this. Need to save them out and need to refresh. It still isn't nothing. I think there's an error in that. Need to check them out. I think it's not components, it's component. Need to refresh. Is there's rendering our custom elements on this kind of code. So this is for externally or the globally defines of the custom elements. So what about I need to custom internally? So I need to define only the elements inside of the custom elements. So need to define the variables. Need to put the template is div on div is data2. So the element is some element, and this is component. My elements is data. So need to save and refresh. It returns nothing. Need to check them out. I think there is not a correct one to do. Need to look at it. Template div data2. Need to components. Need to use the S because this is a plural one on inside the Vue objects. So you need to pay attention to do not do the same errors like mine. So need to refresh, and it's shown the data 2 and custom elements inside the full objects. Sorry, not full objects, full models. So next step, need to use, I think this is not really necessary, but it's only a reminder, and also this kind of reminder. And I think the next step is kind of very tricky one. I need to make like this simple calculation elements. Let's see, need to look at the examples. Is the template on this like kind of right here? Oh, you can even put the data on this. So need to not to use this. Okay. And since I doesn't remember, because this is my first time to try on this, I think the best thing is not do some copy paste on. I think need to look for the examples. It's a button. Is button, and think to put some of your fee on click. Besides of beyond click, you can use this, but I need to make on this because it's inside of the data's variable and also the inside the objects. And need to view on click is data. Let's see. Okay, we need to define the data. Need to delete this because we wrongly, because this is not I wanted to, and need to define data count is 0, is sorry, not count, is counter, and the full dot component is a simple calculation, and inside of this second parameters is a template. Kind of template is I need to put some button fee on click is a function name, counter plus 1. Don't forget to end your text. Since the button plus 1, need to call the variables needs a counter, and need to call the data function, and need to store return data. So let's see the programs is run or not, and it's run really well. So, and the composing components on the design pattern, when the parents passing the properties to child, the child emits events to the parents. So it's circular kind of process on this. I think that is for today's video. This is a very basic component, so there's a lot of more components on the next video, I hope. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like my contents, make sure you guys to subscribe to my channel and put the thumbs on my videos. Don't forget to share this video if you guys like it, and check out my Facebook page and my Twitter account. Make sure you follow, like them. I will put my social media links in this video description down below. I will see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye for now. Stay tuned.